How to solve touchscreen problems on your ASUS device. Having trouble with your ASUS touchscreen? Here are some quick tips to help you fix it. First, make sure your device supports touchscreen input by searching and opening. View pen and touch info. And also ensure your BIOS, Windows updates, and drivers are all up to date to keep your system running smoothly. Before troubleshooting, clean the touchscreen with a soft cloth while the device is powered off. Next, we can try to re-enable the touchscreen by opening Device Manager, navigating to Human Interface Devices, right-clicking the HID-compliant touchscreen, and selecting Enable Device. If the touchscreen is already enabled but not working, uninstall the driver in Device Manager. Scan for hardware changes to reinstall it, then restart your device and test the touchscreen. Next, let's calibrate the touchscreen so your taps and swipes register accurately. Open Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, and calibrate the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions and choose Reset if needed. If this problem started recently, try removing any apps or accessories that might be causing it, or restore your system to a point before it began. If that still doesn't work, you might consider resetting your PC. And that's it! Follow these steps to get your ASUS touchscreen working smoothly again. Welcome to subscribe to ASUS support channel, like the video, or leave comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.